Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And now we have to take a look at this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find this icon, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon here and the settings should appear here. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages which are on the very first position. And here we've got the list of the languages which we've previously applied to the keyboard. Let's tap on add keyword because we've got only English there. And here we've got plenty of options to choose from, plenty of languages, and all you have to do right now is simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick the graphic one in order to show you the difference. And here we've got the Arabic, for example. Let's tap on it. If you can choose the region, just tap on the one you would like to set and tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the keyboard. So let's get back and check. And as you can see, from now on the spacebar isn't empty. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now I am typing English, but if I want to change the language in this model, all you have to do is simply tap on the spacebar and hold, and you will see this pop-up view and you will be able to pick the Arabic one. And as you can see right now, you can type Arabic. If you want to remove the language from the keyboard, all you have to do is simply go back to the language settings, tap on this pencil icon, and mark the language you would like to remove. Tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, it is immediately removed. And right now the spacebar is empty, so it means that we've got only English applied. So actually, this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.